Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a Webflow tutorial for beginners. It's going to be a full tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create a custom professional website. And Webflow is actually free. They have a free plan and you can get the paid plans as well if you need maybe a custom domain or more pages, things like that. But you can start for free. Now come here, click on get started for free. Okay. And you'll either have to create an account or sign in if you had an account already. So here you have to enter your work email address, or you can sign in with Google as well. So I'll just choose Google and I'll sign up this way. So I'll choose this email address right here, and then we'll wait for this to authorize me. All right, so now we are on the dashboard. There we go. And here, guys, we're going to be creating our Webflow website. Okay. Now, once you sign up, they'll actually ask you for your first and last name. So go ahead and put up this. All right, click on continue. It'll ask you what kind of websites you want to build and who you want to build it for. So I'll just say I'm building it for myself. Click on continue, student. I'll just click on no. What type of website? Now here you choose what kind of website you're trying to build. The AI will help you to build that kind of website. So let's say you want to go ahead and build a business site. You can go ahead and choose that. Are you interested in hiring someone? For now, click on no, and we can finish with this. Okay. All right. So now we are being taken to the dashboard. Now here we can either use a blank site or a template, and even go through the tutorial if you want. I'll click on template. We're going to start with a design that fits our needs. Okay, we'll see both free and paid versions. So here you can choose categories. For example, if you're in business, blog, marketing, sports, travel, medical, right? Even if you're doing nonprofits, there's an option right there. So choose whichever one is applicable for you. And here you can see that these ones are free, right? They are paid ones as well. For example, this one is $79, but you can get the free ones for now. Let's say this one caught your attention, right? Or this one. You can choose either. So we'll do higher up. We'll do this one. We'll name this as our website. That's fine. You can choose your own custom name. And then you just want to go ahead and click on create site. Right? You can actually even create e-commerce websites with this, set pricing, right? Do a lot of different things. So we're just waiting for this to initialize and set up our website now for us. So we're just waiting for this. All right, here we go. So this is the template, and you can change anything here if you want. Like, for example, if I want to change the text here, I just go ahead and click on this, right? And here we go. I can go ahead and edit the text, right? I can change anything. So let's say, technology, right? You can change anything here. You can change the colors, you can change the layout, the size. Like if I want to change the color, for example, I just come here. You can choose between the different shades or do custom one as well, right? You just need to put that in. So I'll do some variables. Let's see, this one, wow, looks decent. I'll do this one, okay? We'll stick to this one. All right, you can change anything here. Your font, anything at all. You can add borders, effects. So here, if we scroll down, you can change the image as well, right? You can change the cover image. So you can come here and add them as well, add the style. So this is for the style, right? And then you can scroll up here as well. You can do a lot of things here. If you want, you can change the image. So if I click here on settings, I can replace this image with my own image as well. Or we can even search from their assets that they have available. Okay. There's a lot of different options you have. You can also upload here. Okay. So we'll just go ahead and, close this panel. Don't need that anymore. All right. So I'll scroll down here. You can add logos for the different, integrations you have. Right. And here we go. So for example, this is higher up. So this is a website for where we get, freelancers to find jobs. So these are the companies we are advertising with, right? So here, different jobs available. You can change it here, right? You can fully customize everything. So you can check out the different components, right? So here, this is the banners, footer section. So you can check out the variables available, right? There's a lot of things you can do. You can even make a website to sell a product, right? So here you can customize everything. You can also, use different apps and integrate them with your website. Everything here is customizable, and you can go ahead and change the views. You can go ahead and check the mobile view as well. And when you're happy, you can just click on publish. So once you edit everything, you can go ahead and click on publish, and we'll just use the Webflow domain because that one is free. So now it's preparing to publish, and you can easily share the link with anyone. Okay. So we'll just wait it out, and then here we go. So of course you can also create your own blank websites, right? So I click on this, it will open this up in a new tab. Everything here can be customized. So everything I customize, here you go, technology, everything here is customizable. Okay, you can start create a new blank website as well. Everything here can be edited as well. Okay, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. You can go ahead and click on any of these, icons. And if it did provide value to you, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.